Good morning, Pinellas County. These are the dogs available at Pinellas County Animal Services on Monday in isolation. You know, I always start the video out with Willow, and unfortunately on Sunday, yesterday, Willow came down with kennel cough. So now Willow is in isolation. She's still as sweet can be. She's just got a cough. And she's got a little bit of a bloody nose from coughing, but she can be adopted and she can go home with meds. We will definitely give meds for her kennel cough. She's in here for 10 days. Avalanche has been returned. There is someone interested in adopting Avalanche. He came back as a return because he has kennel cough. This is Shep. Shep came into the facility with kennel cough, so Shep never made it to the adoption floor, came right in to isolation with kennel cough. And then the very last dog that is in isolations, Miss Fiona. You were just in adoptions and now you're back in isolation. Kennel cough is a cough that dogs get. It's kind of goes with the shelter. It's airborne. So Fiona is 4 years old. She was heartworm positive. We treated her with her imidazole, so she is ready to be adopted. We have 4 dogs in isolation. They can all be adopted and they can all go home with meds. So if you're interested in seeing an isolation dog, when you come to the shelter, ask for Jam. I can take you back into isolation, but then you have to leave the facility right away. You cannot go back into adoptions. Thank you. Bye.